We needed to get our Armada locators fixed, and you're not going to believe how much it cost and what they did to them. Our trackers needed some service, so we sent them into Armada to have that done. The good news is there's no surprises with the service here. For each of their units, there is a flat rate fee to get the service done. In the case of the 700, it is $225, I believe, and they will replace basically anything. I can tell that's a brand new clip that they put on there. Anything inside of this device that needs to be brand new, they'll replace it. It looks like they replaced this piece right here. They reused a couple of the screws. That's a new screw. They gave us some new wires on this one and a new ground rod. Perfect. So this one's ready to go. Over here, we've got one of the 900s. We had the clips on this one, so we didn't need clips. We've got the ground rod here. It just popped out. Looks like this got a brand new display. We can tell because that's a brand new piece of plastic there. It got some new cables. Beautiful. This one's ready to go. Let's see what the last one had done to it, because I'm not sure. Look at that. Brand new ground rod, brand new cables. Pretty much, with the exception of the receiver, they have replaced all of the main parts of the locators for us at that flat rate fee. I mean, all of the business end of this machine is right in here. And they replaced that whole piece right there and gave us new wires for each of the locators. Thanks, Armada. That's a great service. And you can depend on it, and it's not going to be a surprise. You know how much you're going to pay. No matter what is wrong with the locator, they're going to replace it and send it back to you for that fee. Flat rate pricing is budget friendly. That means you will know exactly how much you're paying before you even decide to ship these things in. The only time there'll be an additional fee is if there's water damage in the locator. In that case, they will reach out to you and discuss how to move forward with whatever repair that would require. Other than that, everything else is covered under that flat rate fee. In addition to all of that, if that wasn't good enough, they actually offer a guarantee that that tracker will not be in their office for longer than 3 days, because if it is, they're repairing your device for free. And I'm not kidding about that. Hold them to it. On top of all of that, when you call them to get that RMA number, you're going to reach out to a real person, and you can ask that real person all kinds of questions, and they're going to give you the answers to them. You may just be calling for the RMA number because you know how to use the tracker and you just want to send it in. But if you've got a few questions, challenge them. I'm challenging you to challenge them with some good questions.